What's up guys, Jeeps here. Yeah, I know I'm wearing red shorts and orange. I don't know what I was thinking when I just just leave me alone. But today we're going to be putting on some splash guards that I got from ZL1 add-ons. So these are on Amazon. I think they're called ZL1 Mud Guards or something like that on Amazon if you want to look for them. I think they were $69.99. You can see on this side of them it's more of a it's got some texture to it, so that'll be facing on the outside of the car. So I guess on this side it would sit like this, and then on the inside of it there's this recessed area where you put the push pins in. So I'm going to get this installed. I tried to do this installation the other day, but as you can see on these push pins here, I broke all of them successfully. I broke every single one perfectly. So I just had to go to Ford and get new push pins for $2.50 a piece. So that was frustrating, but now I understand how a push pin works. Basically, I was trying to just, hold on. So I was trying to just pull the whole unit out, but as you can see here, it separates. So what you have to do first is pull this, separate it, and then pull this top part out, so then it releases the whole pin. But if you're a moron like me, you just pull at the pin relentlessly without doing any research, and then you have to go waste money on stupid things you don't want to waste money on, even though it was only $5. It's just like, come on. Let's get these added on. So here is a look before I have them added on. And then we'll do an after. So, funny story, was able to get this side in. I'll explain the kitchen knife in a minute. But look at this finish. Looks perfect as it sits along there. And as you can see, it does stick out maybe a half of an inch, just enough to block anything that the tire would throw back up the side of the car here. Now, what this is gonna block is, as you can see right here, that is a cut in the paint. And if I had mud guards on, that wouldn't have happened. That probably wouldn't have happened. That probably wouldn't have happened. I don't know, so it's gonna protect the paint. Another one there. So that's mainly why I'm putting these on. Also, after you wash your car and you take a drive up the road, at least here because it's so dry and there's dust everywhere, you always notice you get stuff right along here. And like, you can see little stuff like that, it like sticks to your paint. So having this is gonna prevent that, and it's gonna keep the car a little bit cleaner. Now the kitchen knife, and I was laughing to myself because if you've ever seen the YouTuber Rich Rebuilds, where he's the first guy to successfully rebuild a Tesla model, he always uses like kitchen knives and things like that. So I walked into my kitchen and I need something to be able to cut this push pin off right here. So the only thing I could find was this kitchen knife. So I'm gonna saw it off because I've broken the separation part. So I'm gonna cut it here, push it back, and it'll drop out the bottom of the bumper right here. And then I'll be able to put the new push pins in, and we'll have the front ones totally installed. We're able to get those fully installed on the front, and then we're gonna put the back ones on here soon. But there you go, there's just a nice look at them. And the reason I went with these ones over like ones from Rally Armor or Mountain or wherever, I just don't like the look for a front wheel drive car. I don't like it to have those big flappy mud guards on the back. That, to me, that's more of like a Subaru STI look, where it's an all-wheel drive car, it's shooting rocks up while rallying through the, I don't know, that's just what goes through my head. That's why I wanted a more subtle look, and I think that I like that it's subtle. It has a nice finish to it. It's a quality product. It's $70, So it's kind of expensive for what you get, just 4 pieces of plastic. But this look it has on the car is subtle. It's exactly what I was looking for, and it was like the only option out there. So there it is. There's the front angle look. You can see it just comes out a tiny bit there, but enough to protect you from shooting debris up over the side of your car, or in rain or snow or gravel or whatever. It is going to do its job and keep you protected. So next is to put the back ones on.